Hello, I'm Jason from Deepernauts. In this video, I'm going to explain the new wildcard feature of the whitelist. Once you log into your device, head over to Security and then Custom DNS Rules. Here, you'll see the whitelist and the blacklist. As an example, the blacklist wildcard is something like .bid, .club, .click that will block all access to domains ending in .bid, .club, and .click. On the other side, the whitelist implements a similar wildcard tactic. It can be a little bit more specific, but you can wildcard more domains. So something like ads.google.com will allow all ad traffic through google.com. Or you can import something like google.com, which will allow whitelisting of all Google domains. The whitelisting wildcards is a new feature, and we hope that it helps you customize your network.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.